Welcome back, survival geeks, to Tech Island. Here, we explore the incredible gadgets available on Amazon and present you with the highest quality products you can buy. Today, we'll dive deep into survival gadgets and find the 12 best of them all. So sit back, relax while eating popcorn, and enjoy the video. Number 1. Luminade Solar Camping Lantern. Luminade's inflatable LED light is the perfect companion for any outdoor camping trip. The inflatable design makes it super compact and portable, making it very easy to fit inside your backpack. The device features 75 lumens LED, which can easily lighten up your tent and campsite. It also saves you from the hassle of carrying power banks or batteries on the trip, because you can charge the lantern directly from the sunlight thanks to the built-in solar panel. Just place the lantern in the sunlight for at least 10 hours straight to fully charge it. You can also get a much faster charging through micro USB input. Once you fully charge your lantern, it can provide up to 24 hours of use, which is quite impressive compared to other lanterns on the market. It's a highly durable lantern, and it's also very lightweight. The IP67 waterproof structure makes it highly compatible even during heavy rain. Number 2. Greenever Multi-Tool Hatchet. Do you go out camping often? If you do, then Greenever's multi-tool hatchet will make your experience much more exciting. The gadget allows you to carry multiple tools in one single tool, which can fit inside a polymer fastened to your belt. It's a highly functional tool made from high-quality stainless steel, making it rust-free. The multi-tool saves you tons of space when you're getting ready to go camping. Whether you want to cut branches or tighten screws, you can do it all with this multi-tool. The tool features a sharp hatchet with a hammerhead at the back. The built-in pliers allow you to cut wires in case of emergencies. Don't bring a knife because the multi-tool already has a sharp knife, perfect for cooking meals. If you want to pop some bottles to quench your thirst, say no more because you can use the bottle opener from the multi-tool. Use the built-in saw to craft or cut branches and get the job done. You also get a Phillips, a flathead screwdriver, and a nail filer. The multi-tool can be used anywhere you want, even at home, to do quick fixing. Number 3. Gudemo Hand Warmers. Gudemo's 2-in-1 hand warmers are an incredible invention for the chilly winters. These electric hand warmers allow them to be reusable. On one charge, they can last for approximately 12 hours straight. They only weigh 3 ounces, which is only 30% of traditional hand warmers and only 30% the size of your mobile phone, meaning they're a highly portable product. You can keep both hands warm simultaneously by putting the hand warmers inside each pocket of your hoodie or pants. Gudemo's hand warmers also feature premium chipsets, which control the heat levels. You can set up the temperature in 3 levels based on your preference. It's small, portable, safe, and highly efficient at doing its job. Number 4. TR-Sind 14-in-1 Survival Kit. Going out on an outdoor adventure? Don't forget to pack your TR-Sind Survival Kit. It's a 14-in-1 survival pack with tools that'll help you survive for numerous days, even when stranded on an island with no population. The kit includes an extremely sharp, foldable knife, perfect for hunting and fishing. It also features a clip that you can use to clip the knife with your pants or backpack. In an emergency, you can use the survival whistle to get the attention of nearby boats and people. If a whistle isn't enough, buy a signal fire using the fire starter inside the kit. To collect branches to start a fire, use the chainsaw. The Survival Paracode Brace is also a perfect addition to any survival situation. The bracelet fits right on your wrist, providing ease of access in an emergency. You undo the bracelet to use the Paracode for several purposes. A compass is also on top of the bracelet to help you track your way out of jungles. You also get a tactical pen and an incredibly bright light to help you during the night. You also get a ruler to get measurements. The multi-tool card is also a lifesaver for numerous situations. Finally, you get a carabiner, a thermal blanket, and a high-quality box that keeps everything secure in one small, portable place. Number 5. Coghlan's Multi-Spice. When we go camping, we face a common problem: carrying packs of spices for the cooking you will do during your bonfire. The spices take up tons of space inside your backpack. But worry no more, because Coghlan's Multi-Spice is here. It's an incredible invention perfect for every survival adventure. Just open the lid of the spice you want and start sprinkling. It's a single container that features multiple containers inside of it. You get a total of 6 compartments, which is enough for almost all the essential spices you need to enhance the flavor of your food. Number 6. Zippo FireFast Bellows. Zippo presents its FireFast Bellows, an incredible companion for every bonfire. It allows you to keep your fire running thanks to the incredible blowing speed of the fans inside the product. With one button press, the fans start running and provide impressive power, allowing you to experience a nice, warm fire. AA alkaline batteries power the fan. It also features a comfortable handle with a nice rubber grip. It's an amazing product with a 1-year warranty, so use Zippo's FireFast next time during your bonfire. Number 7. Fishboy Collapsible Folding Stool. Fishboy presents its collapsible folding stool, a unique device and a massive problem solver, saving you from the hassle of carrying large folding seats for fishing. The stool features an ingenious design, allowing it to collapse completely in one single disc-like shape, which can easily be strapped along with your backpack and carried anywhere. It's a lightweight product made of high-quality material that can easily withstand the weight of an adult. Whether you want to sit or stand, this stool can endure easily. Number 8. Otoland Portable LED Camping Lantern. Who would have thought you could take a ceiling fan on a trip? Well, Otoland just made it possible with its portable LED camping lantern plus ceiling fan. It's an incredible invention for both camping and survival conditions, such as hurricanes. The product features a high-luminance LED lantern that lets you see through darkness easily at night. Having a torch while camping is always a priority, but when you can convert your lantern into a fan as well, that levels up the game even further. Press the button to turn on the lantern fan to breathe fresh air inside your tent. You can also hang the lantern upside down with the ceiling, turning it into a ceiling fan. It's a perfect companion for every survival situation, especially due to its multiple modes and long-lasting batteries. Number 9. Okupa Rechargeable Hand. Introducing Okupa's Rechargeable Hand. It's a 10,000 mAh portable electric hand warmer. The device will warm your hand in chilly conditions for up to 15 hours. It gives you instant warmth in just 3 seconds. The dual-sided heating pads provide simultaneous warmth to hands. It's a highly portable product that can easily fit inside your pockets. The device is easily rechargeable via a micro USB cable. It's an incredible travel-friendly device for camping, hiking, and hunting. Number 10. Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock. Get yourself the Wise Owls Outfitters Camping Hammock, a perfect companion for a classic camping experience. It's a high-quality hammock that you can easily set up between 2 trees, and once you set it up, you can enjoy sleeping inside it like a baby. You can buy a single medium-sized hammock that can lift approximately 400 pounds, perfect for 1 person. And if you're 2 people, you can get the double large-size hammock that can lift about 500 pounds. You can fold these portable hammocks into one piece that easily fits at the back of your car. It also comes with all the attachments, such as carabiners, which allow you to set everything up quickly. Finally, if they get dirty, don't worry because it's machine washable. Number 11. UST Tool Along Multi-Tool. Presenting UST Tool Along Multi-Tool. It's a keychain-style multi-tool with a carabiner that can easily attached and carried with your belt or backpack. It's a highly durable stainless Stella multi-tool featuring 4-position hex wrenches, a can opener, a bottle opener, and a wire cutter. It also includes a 1-inch ruler, a butterfly wrench, a Phillips, and a flathead screwdriver. It's the ultimate gadget for outdoor survival, and the best part is that its design shapes every tool like a gorilla. Number 12. Wheelers Cooking Utensil Set. Cooking utensils are essential for every camping trip, but carrying different tools is tiring and takes up a lot of space. It's time for us to say goodbye, but don't worry. We'll see you guys in our next video. So signing off for now, but don't stop adventuring into the wild with your survival gadgets.